Hi, today I will tell you what to add to the hole when planting cucumbers. This must be done if you want to get a large and early harvest. Because it is this fertilizer that will provide the cucumber plant with a full and affordable nutrition. Seedlings will quickly take root in a new place, just as quickly begin to increase the green mass. Therefore, you will get an early and abundant harvest. The first thing to do is to prepare the bed. It needs to be dug up. This will help the roots grow quickly in the ground. The hole should be 2 inches deeper and wider than the cup in which the seedlings grow. I add 1 tablespoon of granulated manure to the bottom of the pit. It is sold in garden shops and can also be found on the internet. But if you have chickens at home, then their droppings are also suitable, only you need to use old, rotted manure. Who is at least 5 years old? Fresh chicken manure cannot be used, there is a lot of ammonia in it, it will burn the root system and the plant will die. I am also often asked in the comments if it is possible to use rabbit droppings. My answer is yes, you can. Use it in the same proportions as chicken. But also in fresh form it cannot be used, only overripe, at least 5 years old. I pour 1 spoonful of this fertilizer into the hole and mix it with the soil. Then I fill the holes with water. I use water only at street temperature, not cold. We need to let the water soak in a little and install a seedling with a lump of earth right into the remaining water. Thus, the plant will receive a good charge of moisture and nutrients, as well as then we sprinkle soil on top and do not pour water on top. Thus, the top layer of soil remains loose and airy. The plant will grow comfortably. Be sure to do this when planting cucumbers, and you can also do it for peppers, eggplants, zucchini, melons, watermelons. But for tomatoes it is not necessary. They will greatly begin to grow leaves and stems to the detriment of the crop. And if the information was useful to you, then be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.